Hi guys, welcome to the last part of this weekend challenge. So in this part, we'll be seeing Hover Spotlight Challenge. So basically, I'll give you a glimpse of how the project looks. You have one, what do you call, a rectangle or something like that, and you have multiple stars in that. Star is a small hole, small circle. So whenever the mouse clicks on that, whenever the mouse hovers on that particular small hole, it expands a little, and then in the side there comes a description about that, whatever that particular star is of the solar system. It is actually good. I'll just show you how it looks so you'll get an idea. Now, whatever the content it should show, what all the content it should show is star name, distance from Earth, a unique cosmic fact about that particular star. Okay, so that is basically, we call it a tooltip. So when the cursor goes on the small circle, the tooltip should appear, and whenever the cursor goes back, the tooltip should disappear. Now, let us see the HTML part. Okay, so first we have the hero section, which is again a simple image and one of the paragraph or text about that image. Now, here we have the stars. So here we have a heading saying hover to discover stars, and here we have multiple stars. We have 4 stars. One is the Sirius, one more is, I don't know, so and so, Polaris and Vega. Okay, I'm not a very astronomical man. Yeah, okay. So here we have the distance, the star name, distance, and the fact about that particular thing, and then we have the style. The style is almost same for everything. Now again, we have all these for all the 4 stars, all these 4 stars, and then we have a division called tooltip. So now it directly redirects to JavaScript. Now let us take to the JavaScript. All right. So here first we select every document or everything with the star. Now after that we have the tooltip. So tooltip is basically the item that displays the content of the stars. After that we loop to each and every star. We have 4 stars. We loop to each and every star. Now the event listener is basically mouse move. Whenever the mouse moves over the star, the event is called. Whenever the mouse cursor moves away from the star, the event is closed. Simple. We have the name. We have retrieve the name of that particular star, distance, and fact. So all these 3 things we are retrieving. After that, we have the tooltip.style. So now when you click on when it hovers on that particular star, the tooltip should be displayed. Now, it just can't randomly display it on that because you can't see the cursor. So what it should do is basically takes the cursor ka x coordinate and y coordinate, and then it adds 15 padding 15. So it moves to 15 pixel px right to the cursor, and then 15 px, let's say the cursor is here, 15 px right to the cursor, and then 15 px down. So from here it starts, so it is properly visible to you. Now whatever we should display in tooltip, whatever we should display in tooltip is basically the name, distance, and fact. After that, whenever the mouse leaves, it is simple. Now we say tooltip displays none. Initially we have that block display, now it is none. We are not displaying anything. And in this style, it is basically the star, whatever the star's color should be, whatever the border radius should be, etc. Tooltip is again, background color would be a little on the blue side, and then the text, whatever is displayed on it, will be a little on the light blue side or white side. Simple. Now let me run the program. Okay, so you can see these are the 4 stars. So whenever I just hover on the star, this thing comes. What does it say? So from here, what does it say? The star name, how much is the distance, and then one more is the unknown fact or a hidden fact about that particular star. So you can see these are the 4 stars. So this is the tooltip. You can see it is coming 15 pixel on the right and 15 pixel down. So it is coming. So whenever you move, it is always attached to the cursor with 15 pixel on the right, 15 pixel on the bottom. So it doesn't overlap. You can say, I hope you guys have understood the solution. Now let me submit the program. So test cases have passed, and that's it for this video. That's it for this weekend as well. If you have any doubts, then let me know in the comments below. I'll make sure I'll answer them all. And if you want to practice most of these problems or get yourself ready for interviews, then you can go pro on CodeChef. You can try all these programs on the CodeChef platform. So just check out the CodeChef platform once, and I'll see you next weekend, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching.